Hey, how's it going YouTube? Sam here, Meat and Cleaver. Just got home from work and I've got the Traeger on. Just pressed the ignite button. Gonna get it up to about 210 for a nice piece of Blythborough free range loin of pork. Okay, cool. So just gonna split the packaging. It's always best if you can with pork to, especially if you're not gonna cook it same day, to get your butcher to vaccine it so it keeps the skin nice and soft, otherwise it dries out and it doesn't crackle as well. Got some salt here. It's a smoked salt from Jack's Meat Shack. Flip it over. See here that I've also just left the ribs in. Even if I have the ribs out, I still don't roll it because I feel that when you cook it flat you get a more even cook, and also the crackling crackles up a lot better. Because if you imagine if that's rolled round, all that underneath, you just doesn't crackle as well. A little bit of oil on top. It's always good to look out for the stamp. Got the stamp, Blythborough free range. But yeah, we predominantly only sell free range Blythborough pork. So wait for the barbecue to get up to temp. Sitting about 218, set for 210, so it's just above, but it will settle down. So I've not done this before, so I'm going to go fat side up for this cook, and we'll just see how it goes. Nice. So I'm going to go bottom shelf. Oh, I can hear the sizzling. Okay, cool. So the pork is on, and yeah, I reckon give it about 40-45 minutes, sitting at 210, and then we'll probe it and yeah, see how the crackling looks. That's what I'm interested in really of this cook, is seeing how the crackling is gonna turn out on the Traeger, because I've seen some pretty epic pictures of pork and Traegers combined, and interested to see how a loin of pork, as opposed to the typical slow roast shoulder that you see a lot of cooks done, sort of turns out. So we're about sort of mid-cook now. Just going to probe it quickly, see where the temp is, to make sure we're on track. Cool, so we're sitting about 33 degrees. A little bit left to do. Just open the lid, and that is looking so damn good. Crackling's come up pretty good. A little bit soft on this side. Not bad for a first go. So I'm going to flip it over with the ribs off. So the way you want to do this is just with a knife run along and underneath the ribs, just like so. Just follow them really nice and tight, just underneath. Lovely. Yes, some lucky person gets a nice little rack of ribs on the side of their dinner, Sunday lunch. Can't be too bad. Slice a couple off. See that there? That is just glistening and dripping in juice. It's the power of the Traeger. Just cooks things amazingly. Yeah, it's cooked lovely. Cooked that to about 65 degrees C internal. It's beautifully cooked. Say it's just dripping in moisture. So the cook actually turned out not too bad. Crackling wasn't evenly crackled as I'd like it, but overall it went pretty good. Yeah, dripping in juice, super succulent, everything you expect it to be and more. So we're gonna eat before it gets cold. So yeah, have a wicked Sunday, have a good week. Take care. Sam, Meat and Cleaver. See you next time.